guys. Um, Dealt a lot with Lightroom recently, so I thought we'd dive into Photoshop a little bit. So, if you take a look on the screen, here are some images I was trying to take for the YouTube, well, just the Google profile picture in general, I guess. So these are raw files from the D7100. So we're going to click this one here, hit open, and that is going to launch Camera Raw, which is a lot like Lightroom, but I don't know, it just looks crazy on here. So, you know, it doesn't put all of it. You just have to work a little bit to find it. But that's okay. So again, we will look at it. It's a little underexposed, so I'm going to bring this up. I might just bring it up one stop. I'm going to set my white and black points. You can still hold down Option or Alt. Down, and I'll bring my shadows up a little bit. And just bring my highlights down a little bit because the side of my face is starting to look a little crazy. Okay. We will put a little bit of clarity in here. We might boost the vibrance a little bit, but then drop the overall exposure just so it doesn't get a little funky. Cool. Then we have the tone curve. We have sharpening. Let's just do that, maybe about 50 or so. There isn't too much noise in this photo, but I still might take out about 10. You have your HSL. So let me bring the saturation of the orange down just a little bit because it's very vivid. See, I never do the split toning really. We will do this. See, it automatically chooses my lens profile and makes any corrections it deems necessary. See, here's this, what I was talking about in the other videos, your color profile. So if I click like camera portrait, you can see it's changing colors in here a little bit versus like camera vivid, and you can see the contrast gets real crazy. Landscape, a little more contrast, or if you do neutral, everything's going to look kind of neutraled out. Portrait has just a bit more contrast. You can also, it's got some of this in here, like a film process. We'll stick with Adobe Standard for now. And then that looks decent enough for now, so don't hit done. I do this all the time because I don't really work with this. I hit done and I'm waiting for it to load and I'm like, oh yeah, you gotta hit open image. Do that, it will process the file. Boom, loads it into Photoshop. So at that point, you have all your basic Photoshop adjustments. But now you can do all the fun things that you can do in Photoshop that you can't really do in Lightroom. So that's how you do just like a basic edit, a general edit to your photos before you bring them into Lightroom to actually start doing like retouching. You can see there's a, let's see, there's like a spot on my face. So you can have the stamp tool, or you can have the healing brush, and we can just click that, draw over it, gets rid of that real quick. Let's zoom out of my face because that's too scary. You can do stuff like that, and then you can obviously make multiple layers. And you can, the possibilities are endless once you're in Photoshop. But later on we'll be going over, we're going to do some frequency separation, cleaning up skin and portraits, so we'll dive deeper into the world of Photoshop soon. Woo. But that's the basic process, so yeah, don't think that Lightroom is the only way. It's not. I just, for my type of photography, it's just easier, faster, and it's just more organized, and I just like it better. But I do still occasionally do some stuff in the Photoshop, so yeah, just get out there and be creative and make something. We'll see you in the next video.